Good morning students. In previous video I described about the various characters of the chapter, and today we are discussing about the chapter. So we are starting Dr. Sadao Hoki and his traditional father. In this heading we are discussing about Dr. Sadao and his father. His father was a traditional person, and there is also described about the house. His house was situated on the Japanese coast, and he often visited the South Sea island with his father. During his childhood, Dr. Sadao used to visit the South Sea island with his father, and Dr. Sadao's father was a very serious person. He never joked or played with his son, but took infinite pains for his son. So now you can see that Dr. Sadao, who was a Japanese person, his father was very serious man. He never joked or played with his son, but he took infinite pain for his son. It was sacrifice of his father for the career of Dr. Sadao. So now there is given Sadao's education was his chief concern. So this is also given that Sadao's father was very excited. He was very interested in the education of Dr. Sadao, and his chief concern was to educate his son. That's why he sent his son in America for his higher studies. And in America he studied. This is also given that he sent Sadao to America. Sadao returned as a famous surgeon and scientist. After completing his education from America, when Dr. Sadao returned from there, he became a doctor and a scientist also. At the same time, the Second World War was started, as I described in the theme of the chapter in previous video. So Second World War was started in between America and Japan. So, but Sadao was not sent with troops when war was started. So Sadao did not send in the battlefield with the troops, because general who was old man was being treated by him, because general was suffering with a disease, okay, and he was required the treatment, and it was thought that Dr. Sadao is a very intelligent person and he can treat the general properly. So general did not allow that Dr. Sadao should go with the troops in the battlefield. So this is given here. So you have come to know about. Coming on the next heading, Sadao met Hana in America, waited for his father's consent to marry her. So now we are talking about the second character, Hana. Hana was the wife of Dr. Sadao. Now in this heading, this is discussed where did Dr. Sadao meet with Hana. Actually, when Dr. Sadao was studying in America, Hana was also studying there, and they both met to each other. But this is given, Dr. Sadao first identified, or first he came to know that from which country does she belong. When he became confirmed about her country, that she is also Japanese, then they fall in love to each other. But Dr. Sadao did not marry unless he took permission of his father. So this is given here. Sadao met Hana in America, waited for his father's consent to marry her. So this is. So students, in these two headings I discussed about the father of Dr. Sadao, that he was a very traditional man, and you have seen that he was a very serious person. He never joked or played with his son. His father's chief concern was to educate his son. That's why he sent his son in America for his study. After completing his education, when he returned in Japan, he became a doctor and a scientist. So you have seen in first heading. In second heading, you came to know about the meeting of Dr. Sadao and Hana. Where did they meet to each other? They they met in America with each other. But Dr. Sadao did not express his love for Dr. Hana. When he came to know that she is also Japanese, then he expressed his love for her. And he did not marry with her unless he took permission of his father. So this is given in these two headings. I hope you have come to know about this, and I will send you a PDF file. You will do all these questions in your notebook. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.